My Tandy 1000HX lives again. This is the Tandy 64 demo. It's a bunch of 3D printed parts, including the drive tray and the GoTech drive and the lid. And as you can see, got some expansions in here, serial, parallel, and I've also got a RAM expansion and XT IDE effectively built in. So yeah, it's been a long journey, but thanks to my eye issues, it's taken me a long time to fix this machine up. But yeah, now it's rocking and rolling. Still some minor adjustments to make, but I'm pretty happy with that. Yeah, big thanks to Marc for sending this old girl my way for restoration. Definitely one of my bucket list machines that's now been ticked off. So thanks again, Marc. Really appreciate it, buddy. Catch you around, everyone. Thanks for watching.